Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint a sea turtle. Alright, the question of the day is, how old are sea turtles? Alright, let's run through the colors. Queen red, pearly red, cad yellow, primary yellow, Van Dyke brown, phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white, ultramarine blue, quin blue. Alright, today we're going to do a painting of a sea turtle. So the original kind of mother root of sea turtles goes back 150 million years ago to the late Jurassic period, which was when dinosaurs were still around, right? But because the Ice Age only affected the land, it didn't affect the sea, turtles survived. And the modern sea turtle, there's actually 10 different branches off of the original one, is from 110 million years ago. So that's how old sea turtles are. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we got this really rough waves on top of the ocean, which the turtle is obviously swimming through. You got this turtle at the bottom, really nice warm highlights kind of popping there here and there, which give a nice texture to the skin tone of the animal. And the eyes look pretty good, I think. Overall, I like this a lot. It looks pretty good from afar. I mean, if you get up close, it's going to look really rough on the water. I'm sometimes do it really well, sometimes not. I think this looks pretty good. Not exactly as I'd want it as far as feeling more like water. I think from afar it reads really well as water. Up close, not as much so. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the Patreon, if you want to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you guys on the next painting video. Thanks, guys.